So here's one investing soft skill that can not only take your life to the next level, but also significantly improve your ability to invest and your ability to make money from investing. You're going to want to stick around until the end of this video because we're going to talk about what this skill is, why this soft skill can help you to not only better your life, but also to improve your ability to invest and to make money, and why everybody should pay keen attention to utilizing this skill not only in investing, but in other aspects of their life. So you may be wondering right now, what exactly is this particular soft skill? Why is it so important, and why am I hyping this skill up so much? And honestly, it's something that is extremely simple, but a lot of people still neglect to utilize it. And that skill is simply just patience. That's all. But we're going to talk about why being patient is important to not only your life, but also in the world of investing, and how you can actually make more money with utilizing this soft skill. So the reason why patience is so important, especially where investing is concerned, is because of a lot of times, in order to realize the profit or to realize the amount of gains you anticipate to gain from a certain investment, oftentimes you have to wait. Sometimes investments might not pan out in the short term. There are short-term investments, medium-term investments, and long-term ones, but typically, oftentimes for businesses or other investments to realize the growth and the gains that you need it to, you have to be patient and wait for the outcome that you have predicted or that you would have researched and anticipated to come. Oftentimes, a lot of people miss out on the gains and the profits associated with their investment because they're not patient. They're not willing to wait on the outcome, and they see something happen in the outside world, some form of externality or other form of economic shock, and then what this causes them to do is to pull out of their investments haphazardly out of fear. So patience is very key when it comes to investment and in other aspects of your life, because if you're not patient in life, a lot of the things that should come to you may not, and you may miss out on a lot of opportunities because of being impatient. And in my opinion, that's why more people should pay attention to these soft skills such as patience, because that can be the difference between you making money and you losing money. Similarly, patience can be the difference between you losing an opportunity in life and gaining an opportunity. Again, thank you so much for supporting our videos as usual. Stay tuned to the Jamaican Investor for more investment and money tips and tricks. Thanks again for the support.